All right, let's take a look at the 2-point conversion attempt here. I 100% agree with the decision to go for the 2 points. In a hostile crowd, you've lost your starting running back, you lost your starting safety, you lost one of your corners, and you've got Taysom Hill on the field, one of the more dynamic quarterbacks in the backfield. So put it in Taysom Hill's hands and let him go for it. So fully agree with it. The problem is you got caught in a really good defensive play call. Morgan Scalley loads up the box. Now, we're going to kind of watch this thing play through. As they motion, I think they actually get the matchups and the personnel that they want. Just taking a look across the board. You bring Marcus Williams over with the motion. You got Sania Tatioli, who of the linebackers is the better of the two. You've got Hunter Dimick and Moko Fisi, two very good defensive linemen that are going to press hard here on the edge. And then on the left side of the offensive line, right side of the defensive line, you've got Lotulelei, Peter Taumapinu, and Cody Barton. I think this is the guy that they were trying to match up with Taysom Hill. So in order to do that, you're going to run a draw play. And you're going to take your guard and hard step him down to Lotulelei. You're going to take your tackle and you're going to hard step him down to Peter T, who's on the inside shade of that tackle. So these guys are going to come down, step down hard, and try to kind of rub these guys down this way. Taysom needs to beat this guy, Cody Barton, an unknown at the linebacker. They wanted this matchup. They got it with some motion. They got Marcus Williams pulled over. And the way this play should go is Taysom Hill beating Cody Barton. So on the snap of the ball, you see the offensive linemen take their steps, and you see Peter Taumapinu right out of the gates gets penetration. Cody Barton with just a really good solid base coming uphill. Peter T gets that deep penetration, and you see the shoulders of Idy, the Southern Utah transfer, gets turned. And Peter T gets that first contact, that initial contact on Taysom, which then allows Barton to get in here and get a piece of Taysom as well. Now, Taysom is a very tough athlete. He's not going to go down on first contact. So he's able to get out of there and keep moving. You're trying to sustain your blocks across the board, but these guys are good defenders. They're scraping, they're swarming, they're pumped. And you see right there, Sania Tatioli and Marcus Williams end up working to that location, getting a hit on Taysom and getting the stop. Bottom line is, Morgan Scalley dialed up the right defense, putting 7 in the box, and BYU got caught by putting a matchup of Peter Taumapinu against a Southern Utah transfer. And I've got a lot of respect for Idy, but he's got a long way to go. And they caught him in that matchup. And it was a great defensive call and a poor offensive execution and play call on the 2-point conversion.